All right, so we're going to copy all of this and we're going to start a new chat. We're going to paste in the lyrics and then we're going to say, rewrite these lyrics, but change it to a male tone. So after my biggest video won me this comment right here, I decided to go back to ChatGPT, the digital drawing board, and add to it. So not only did ChatGPT create passive income streams using courses, but we're also going to use ChatGPT to create ebooks that will bring passive income. We're going to use ChatGPT that will sell lyrics, song lyrics online to bring passive income. Then we're going to create some more assets, one that you might find exciting. We're going to use ChatGPT to rewrite famous movie scripts, and we're going to sell those as well. So now we're going to come back to ChatGPT. First, we need some ideas. So from the first video we showed you guys, we kind of went something like this. So we would go to Udemy, which is an online course education platform, and you want to use what is proven. The Bible says to let all your ways be established. So we're going to look for courses that have a high purchase rate and good rating as well as satisfactory. Okay. So this one says a 4.7. They're selling it for $29 and they have 98,000 plus students. Now that's awesome. So this is called Complete C Unity Game Developer. So keep in mind that using this method that I'm showing you today, you guys do not have to have any experience whatsoever to sell these assets that's going to be built with ChatGPT. So for example, we'll open up Complete C Unity Game Developer. And as you can see, they give you an outline of what you're going to learn. We're just going to ask ChatGPT to rewrite this in its own words. And for those of you who are skeptical and are saying it can't be that easy, isn't it going to be a crap course or something? No, what you want to do is you want to partner with developers over here on Facebook. And these developers do not have to do any work with you. They do not have to create any content. You can just give them a percentage, a tiny percentage to go through and overlook your course before you publish it to make sure that you're not putting out any crap. Okay, so you can find groups and everything like that. See, look at the groups right here. You can join that group right there. So when you get in there, you just look for the members. We look for the members. It shows you the members and everything. Look, all right. And then you just start reaching out to them. You can add them as a friend. When they accept your friend request, you ask them, you tell them your proposition, you let them know, hey, I want you to verify that this course is going to be awesome. So I actually had it wrong. It's 443,000 students. Oh my God. So we want ChatGPT to create a course outline. And don't worry, next after this, we're going to get to the ebooks. Then we're going to get to selling songs online, song lyrics online to famous people. And then we're going to get to selling movie scripts. All right, using ChatGPT. This is a popular course. I need you to make a 20 video outline of everything needed to succeed in this. So if you think it's going to be like exact match of what we have over here, guys, then what you do is you just take the name of each lesson and you have ChatGPT rewrite it. Okay. And don't worry, you don't even have to do the voiceover or any of that type of recording stuff. I'm going to show you something in a minute. So, okay. So as you can see, it's giving you the course outline for everything. So the introduction, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So you just go up here and say, write my introduction, make it funny, but impactful. See, when you start adding things like this into your request with ChatGPT, that's when it becomes completely unique information and they're not just scanning the internet. Okay. Make it funny and impactful. Okay. So here we go. They're creating the intro for it. You can press continue if you want to. No, it went to the user face. We weren't trying to get it. I was trying to tell it to continue. No. Continue the intro, I meant. Okay, so it started doing it anyway. It started doing all of this extra stuff, but we didn't want it to do that. So basically what you'll do is step by step, you'll come over here and take each assignment and have ChatGPT rewrite it. So I don't want to keep this video super long. What we would do next, guys, just in case you don't know, is you would take each written script, okay? And we have Pictory in the description of this video. You would take each video script that this is going to give you for the 20 videos. And you come over here to Pictory. So you just come over here to Pictory. It has a feature that will allow you to place the text in there or the script from video. It's called script to video. All right. You paste the text from over there on ChatGPT and it will create the video. It will include the B-roll and everything you need for the video. So it will automate it. You can download it and then put it in your course format and everything. So let's close that out. So the next step is this, guys. The next step is using ChatGPT We're going to create a new chat to create an ebook. Okay. So how do you know your ebook is going to be successful? How do you know ChatGPT isn't just going to go out there and get some duplicate content that's going to get you sued or a penalty? Okay. So, well, we want to use this example. All right. Give me, talk to Google the same way, the top suspense novels of 2000. Well, no, let's say, 2022, because we wanted to be time relevant and everything like that. Okay. So we have some books that are heavy suspense, going to be interesting. We have The Paris Apartment, The It Girl, The Night Shift. Okay. So check this out. What we're going to do is we're going to look up The Night Shift. We want to get the description of The Night Shift, and then we're going to take the description of The Night Shift, book description, book summary. What is the book summary? Okay. From the New York Times bestselling author, it's a new locked room mystery set in a Paris building, which every resident has something to hide, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So now we're going to take this. All right. So this is what we want to do. We want to tell it to create a 10-chapter outline for the summary. Okay. A new locked room mystery set in Paris apartment building in which every resident has something to hide. Now, that's all we took from that. And it's already proven because it's one of the top books according to Google. So now we're going to ask to make this story take place in the winter time near Christmas. Give the characters the names Michael, Victoria, Louise, and Penny. Include drama from they can't do current events, from LGBTQ conversations. Include drama and arguments. Then we're going to tell it to begin chapter 1 now. Oh, snap. Do you see how it's doing it? You see how awesome this is? ChatGPT is creating entirely original chapters and text and ebook for this. And how do we know that it's not just the same, book right here? Is because this doesn't talk anything about it taking place in the wintertime or Christmas. Look, they're at the Christmas party. Michael has always dreamed of writing the next great mystery novel, but his inspiration had been elusive and his days were filled with writer block, blah, blah, blah. So he got a invitation to a Christmas party. Look at all of this. And you just tell it, continue writing chapter 1. You got to be specific, because it'll start going to chapter 2 if you just let it do what it does. If you say continue, it'll go straight to chapter 2. And then you have super short chapters. So after this, so I'm just giving you guys a brief of everything. Remember, so after you've collected all of the chapters, what you want to do is you want to open up Google Docs and you want to take each of the chapters and put them on the pages, and then you'll save them, and then you'll put it into an ebook format. You can go to Fiverr and they'll make you covers and everything, and you can upload it for free. You can self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free on Kindle, guys. So like I said, this is rinse and repeat. You just take chapter 1 and tell it to start making chapter 1 the same way it did. When you feel content that chapter 1 is over, you can say, now begin chapter 2, please. Okay, and ChatGPT will sit here and continue writing. It has the names of the everything has changed. Even though I took the summary, the beginning summary from an already known book, everything has changed because I changed the name of the characters. I changed the time that it took place in. I put in a narrative of, have them arguing about LGBTQ. So that can be some of the secrets and everything right there. And then I said, make some of it violent, all of that. So this is literally a completely new and original book, right? So check this out. This is what we want to do now. The next step is to use ChatGPT to sell song lyrics on ASCAP and BMI. Okay, so ASCAP and BMI, these are the actual real places where artists come to be discovered, to get registered as producers and singers and songwriters. So you can put your stuff on there and it could potentially be picked up by a celebrity. So what are we going to do? We're going to take remember, let all your ways be established. The top songs of 2022. Watch this. All right. So these are the top songs of 2022. Let's take one that was popular. I don't listen to none of this crap, but I'm pretty sure you guys do. So we're going to take Plan B from Megan Thee Stallion. Plan B, Megan Thee Stallion lyrics. Oh, snap. So this is how we do it. Watch this. All right. So we're going to copy all of this and we're going to start a new chat. We're going to paste in the lyrics, and then we're going to say, rewrite these lyrics, but change it to a male tone. Include less curse words, and make sure that it rhymes. Use bigger words as well. All right. So now we're going to see what it comes up with. Let's see if it can rewrite these song lyrics and make it into something original and different. Okay. As you guys can see, is literally rewriting the Plan B song from Megan Thee Stallion and probably making it better because, in my opinion, her music is garbage. Okay, so look at this. It's rewriting all of this. Now, it did this error right here because it got like the N word in there a lot. So I'm pretty sure that's why I did that. But you can literally take this. If you have no rap skills, you can like submit these things to these platforms and see who want to pick up the songs. You can tell it, okay, now make me a catchy chorus for these lyrics. Ladies, love yourself. Don't let them bring you down. It's all about getting the cash and wearing the crown. Is that the actual lyrics? I don't know. Let me come back over here. I don't see them anywhere. I don't see them anywhere. Okay. Rewrite that chorus with no curse words. With no curse words. All right. So now it's definitely like originals. Even if that one was hers, I don't know, never heard the song before. So now this is original since I told her to take out the cuss words and change it and do all of that extra stuff. Do it. Like this is literally cake right here because this is a hit. You know, if it's one of the top songs in the world right now in 2022, Google says that it's a hit. So you took the same lyrics and then you put them in here and had ChatGPT rewrite them up. So you have no experience. So it says, I can hardly believe I used to be with you. Now I see your true colors. It's clear through and through. I'm popping pills just to avoid being stuck with you. You still hang with them enemies. I'll never miss you. You're only attracting girls who want to be like me, but it's only to spite me. I can clearly see. Let me make sure that's not the lyrics. Stuck with you then. It took a couple lines, so you can just keep on having it refresh and rewrite until it's completely original and keep adding different prompts. It'll be completely original. Like I said, tell it to use bigger words and all of that. You can convert it into Spanish and start targeting like Spanish artists, all of that type of stuff, man. So this is crazy. So you can literally upload it to ASCAP after you're sure that it's not any plagiarism in it. And then boom, just sit there and promote it and wait for people to come to it. So the next one is one of my favorite ones to use ChatGPT for. You can use ChatGPT to go ahead and create for you movie scripts. Remember, we're going to use proven. All right, top movies 2023 so far. Let's see. Okay, we have a ghost. There's something wrong with the children. I kind of like that one. Me and my kids, we watched There's Something Wrong with the Children. So let's open this up and we're going to say movie summary. Okay. All right. So Margaret and Ben take a weekend trip with two longtime friends and their two children. Ben soon suspects something sinister afoot when the kids start behaving strangely after disappearing in the woods. Okay, boom. So we're going to use this movie summary and we're going to change everything. Okay, it was a good movie, y'all. Rewrite this movie. Okay, create a new movie script using this movie summary. Change the characters' names. Include plot twists in the middle and at the end. Okay. Also, okay, we'll just see what it comes up with that. So this is a completely original, movie script now that I went and did that. I took all of their names. Oh, snap. It's still calling out Margaret. So we want to stop. If it does that, we want to tell it to stop. We're going to copy this and we're going to just take off Margaret. Okay. We're going to just say some people are a couple, a married couple. There we go. So now nobody knows. Now it doesn't know. Here we go. Let's say the husband. Make sure you take all of the names out from the original script. The husband soon suspects, and boom. So now we can start it over. Wow. And to change the name to the title is The Woods of Fear, blah, blah, blah. And now it's just only using the names that we given it and create an entirely new movie script. And where would you upload this movie script? You would come over here to this site called scripts.com. It's a marketplace. And as you can see, this one right here, they're trying to sell this one. It was listed 3 days ago. It's called The Future of Earth. I don't know if it's going to get sold, but as you can see, some can be on here for 2 dang on years, but it got 117 views. Maybe one day somebody pick it up. If it's interesting, like I said, they need to use what's working already. Good blood, bad blood. I like the title. This one, It's negotiable for its price. This one's called Sperm Bank. Okay. Yeah, but anyway, and then this one is the Forgotten Man. This one's for $100,000. So some of these scouts, they come with sites like this. So you can just find all the sites, the marketplace like this, and upload your movie scripts to them. And as you can see, ChatGPT just came up with a completely new movie script, revamped from a movie that's out right now and doing pretty well. We liked it. So what do you guys think? I think that earned a subscribe, man.